Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a trick with a 3D printed magic box. This was inspired by another magic video which will be in the video description. So that's the magic box trick. This was just a side project to test what my new 3D printer was capable of printing. My magic skills definitely work, but I'm fairly happy with how the box turned out. So how does it work? The secret is that there's a hidden compartment that you can easily lift up with your pinky finger and then access whatever is inside by aligning it with the hole on the side of the box. And here's the compartment by itself. The reason why it looks so rough is I forgot to add enough clearance in the design, so I sanded down the sides so that it fit into the base of the box. Despite around 20 minutes of sanding, I could not get the compartment fully flush with the base, and that's why you can see the compartment slightly sticking out if you look closely enough. Here are a few cross sections of the design. As you can see, there's certainly not enough clearance, especially with how inaccurate my 3D printer currently is. So that's basically it. After that, I just installed a couple hinges to connect the side faces and then added a cabinet knob to the top for ease of carriage. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and checking out some of my other projects on the channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.